Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can remove SIM card from TCL Phone. So to begin, you will need to equip yourself with a SIM injection tool like this one. This kind of tool always comes with a smartphone itself alongside the device inside of its packaging. If you don't have it, or you perhaps have lost it, you can use an unfolded paper clip or a regular needle, whatever floats your boat, whatever is small enough to get inside this hole and be pressed in. So that's exactly what you need to do with, well, any tool you use. So slot it inside this little hole. First of all, locate the SIM card tray, of course, and push it in until the tray pops up, and you can take it out like this. Now just remove SIM card and return I will also remove an SD card as well. And now simply return the tray back inside the smartphone. And that's it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.